India's economy is on a remarkable upward trajectory. It is projected to remain the fastest-growing major economy in 2025. Experts forecast a GDP growth of 6.5%. This impressive momentum was evident in the 3 months leading up to December 2024. During this period, India's economy surged by 6.2%. Looking further ahead, projections indicate that India will become the world's fourth-largest economy by 2026. India's ambition doesn't stop there. The nation aims to achieve developed nation status by 2047. To realize this vision, India needs to maintain an annual growth rate of at least 8%. The International Monetary Fund has projected a GDP growth rate of 7.2% for the fiscal year 2024 to 2025. This signifies an increase from the previous year's growth rate of 6.8%. India's economic prowess is undeniable, presenting a plethora of opportunities for astute investors. India's burgeoning middle class is a key driver of this economic expansion. As incomes rise, so too does consumer spending. This creates a virtuous cycle, fueling demand across various sectors. From automobiles to electronics, consumers are eager to acquire goods and services that enhance their quality of life. This surge in domestic consumption presents a lucrative market for businesses catering to these needs and aspirations. Moreover, India's young and vibrant workforce is another asset. With a median age significantly lower than that of many developed nations, India has a demographic advantage. This young workforce is not only a source of labor, but also a wellspring of innovation and entrepreneurship. India's stock market is a testament to the country's economic dynamism. The Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex, India's benchmark stock indices, have consistently demonstrated strong performance. Investors seeking to capitalize on India's growth story should consider allocating a portion of their portfolio to these indices. However, it's crucial to adopt a sector-specific approach. Certain industries stand out as particularly promising avenues for investment. These include technology, pharmaceuticals, consumer goods, and financial services. The technology sector in India is characterized by rapid innovation and a burgeoning startup ecosystem. Companies in this space are at the forefront of digital transformation, leveraging cutting-edge technologies to develop groundbreaking solutions. From e-commerce to fintech, Indian tech companies are disrupting traditional industries and capturing a growing share of the global market. The pharmaceutical industry is another pillar of India's economic growth. Known as the pharmacy of the world, India is a leading manufacturer and exporter of generic drugs. The country's cost-effective manufacturing capabilities, coupled with a skilled workforce, have enabled it to become a major supplier of affordable medicines globally. Investing in pharmaceutical companies provides exposure to a sector with strong growth potential and a global reach. While the stock market offers significant opportunities, diversification is key to mitigating risk. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, provide investors with a convenient and diversified way to participate in India's growth story. These investment vehicles pool money from multiple investors to invest in a basket of assets, such as stocks, bonds, or other securities. India-focused mutual funds and ETFs offer exposure to a variety of sectors, allowing investors to tailor their portfolios to their specific risk appetite and investment goals. Beyond the realm of traditional financial markets, real estate presents another compelling investment avenue in India. Rapid urbanization is driving demand for housing, particularly in major metropolitan areas like Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore. These cities are witnessing a surge in population as people migrate from rural areas in search of better employment opportunities and a higher standard of living. Furthermore, the Indian government's push for smart cities is creating new urban centers and driving infrastructure development. This presents significant potential for real estate investors, particularly those focused on long-term capital appreciation. Section 4. Navigating the challenges of the Indian market. India's economic prospects are bright, but challenges remain. Growth has slowed from 7 to 5.4%. Structural issues and global headwinds contribute to this. Addressing these is crucial for regaining momentum. Section 5. The government's push for growth. Recognizing the need to address economic challenges and sustain growth, the Indian government has implemented a series of measures. One notable initiative is the focus on infrastructure projects. The government has announced 50-year interest-free loans to states specifically for infrastructure development. This aims to address the country's infrastructure deficit, which has long been a constraint on growth. Improved infrastructure, including roads, railways, airports, and digital connectivity, is essential for facilitating business, attracting investment, and improving the overall quality of life. In a bid to stimulate consumer spending and boost economic activity, the 2025 budget included tax cuts for the middle class. These tax breaks aim to increase disposable income, putting more money in the hands of consumers. Increased consumer spending can create a ripple effect throughout the economy, boosting demand for goods and services and encouraging businesses to invest and expand. The government has also implemented pro-business policies and reforms designed to attract foreign investment. These include simplifying tax regulations, easing business registration processes, and creating a more investor-friendly environment. Attracting foreign direct investment is crucial for bringing in capital, technology, and expertise. Section 6. Charting your investment journey in India. India's economic landscape presents a compelling case for investors seeking growth opportunities. The country's projected economic expansion, burgeoning middle class, and young workforce create a fertile ground for businesses to thrive. However, it's essential to approach investing in India with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both the potential rewards and inherent risks. Thorough research, diversification, and a long-term investment horizon are crucial for success in this dynamic market. For investors seeking to navigate the complexities of the Indian market, Finance for All offers invaluable insights and guidance. Our platform provides in-depth analysis, expert opinions, and timely updates on the Indian economy and investment landscape. We empower investors with the knowledge and tools they need to make informed decisions and capitalize on the vast opportunities that India has to offer. Subscribe to Finance for All today and embark on your investment journey in one of the world's most dynamic economies. Like, share, and comment to join the conversation and stay ahead of the curve.